We're French drain installers for northern Macomb County, Michigan, and Oakland County, Michigan. I see this on a regular basis. We have a pool with a lot of decking. So you have all the water that sheds off that deck. There's less soil to take in that water. Then we have a common area that's bermed. So all the water is coming in off of this bermed common area. So you have a highly concentrated area of water down the swale of the backyard. Well, there is a storm drain catch basin, but the bluegrasses that we have here in the north, we have a really, really nice lush stand of bluegrass here in the north, and we love our bluegrasses, so we're not going to change that. But water does not travel through a real thick turf mat like it will run off of, say, asphalt or concrete. So what we do is we take a French drain system, we put it right in the center of the swale. This is the area collection. This is where all the water ends up. We evacuate the water quickly, and we go through the sidewall of the storm drain catch basin. This one happens to be sleeved. We're in Macomb Township, and boy, I just love working here. They sleeve all their storm drain catch basins so we could just hook right up to it. It's nice. It's a convenience. It saves the homeowner money. For a French drain installer in North Macomb County, Michigan and Oakland County, Michigan, give us a call.